Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be talking about contouring your face. So this is a requested video. I got a message from a friend on my Insta, and she requested that I should show contouring of the full face. So let's just go through the products and the technique for contouring. Now for contouring the face, there are two types of products that are available in the market. One is a cream contour and the other one is called a powder contour. So basically a cream product and a powder product for contouring your face. Well, I personally prefer powder contouring because A, it's much more easier, it blends very easily and looks very natural is what I feel. But again, in this video, I'll be showing you both the products. So first let's start with the cream contour and let me just show you how it looks. For cream contour, I have three types of products. I'll show you all. So I have this beautiful palette from Kryolan's, the darkest shade that you can see here. So this is what I use for contouring my face. Now another product that I have is from MAC. Now again, this is a concealer palette. So you don't need the whole palette, you can just buy one contour shade. Now another cream contour that I have is from Makeup Studio. This is shade Oriental. So let's just try this and I'll show you how I contour my face. After this, we will go on to the powder contour. Now either you can use a brush or a beauty blender, that's totally your call. I am using a brush here. This is from PAC. This is called 267 stiff angular brush. So what I do is I just place the product with the help of this and I blend it with a beauty blender. So let's go ahead and do this. So I'm applying the product on my brush, taking it on my brush, and so this is where your product should go. It should start from here, from your ear, and it should go to your lip. So if you want, you can just keep a brush and see. So just below your bone is where the contour goes. No. Don't take it all the way till your lip. You should just end it here. Same on the other side. Now since I have a broad forehead, I will contour my forehead also, but if you have a small forehead, then just skip this step please. Contour is something that is different for all face types, so you have to see what suits you the best. Guys, this is just for the video. I don't do this contouring every day. Now I'm just going ahead and contouring this part also, the jawline. If you have double chin, then you can contour this part also. So basically whatever you want to cut, give it that sharp look is when you use the contour, and whatever you want to highlight, that part you highlight, like use a highlighter. Cutting a little bit of chin here. Now we just start blending everything. So I'm using a beauty blender for this. You have to blend it really well, otherwise that line would be visible. One more thing guys, don't rub because then you will shift your foundation also along with the product. So you just have to blend. Ideally, you should apply and blend immediately, but right now since I wanted to show you the placement of the contour product, I applied it on my face and now I'm blending it. Can you see how thinner the face looks right now? Look at these beautiful cheekbones that are uplifted. As I said earlier also, contouring and highlighting depends on your face shape. Like since I have a broader forehead, I am contouring it, but you might not need it. So now this is how it looks after the contouring. We just go on to a powder contour. So the two products that I have for powder contour is one is this. This is from ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills. So this is a palette. This is in shade light to medium. Really don't use this. As you can see, it's very ashy, so I don't like it. I just usually use these two warm colors here. So I usually mix these two. And these three shades here are for highlighting. Now another beautiful product which is not a contour but it is a bronzer, and I absolutely love this one. This is from Benefit. So this is the Hoola bronzer. This is how it looks. It comes in this packaging and this is the shade, guys. I love this bronzer for contouring my face. So now let's see what kind of brush you need. An angular brush, but you need a fluffy angular brush in which the bristles are not very stiff, because this is a powder and you just need to blend it on your face. Again, the same position. The position won't change for whether it's powder or cream. You can also pull your cheeks if that makes it easy for you. I'll also show the nose contouring with this product only. I'm sure you all can see the difference now. My face looks so much more slimmer. In case if you feel you have applied too much product or there are harsh lines which you're not able to blend, you can just take a powder brush and blend everything, or just take dip it in a little bit of powder or compact and just blend everything. For the nose contour, you definitely need a smaller brush. Applying the product here, just making a straight line, and I'm taking it all the way to my eyebrows. Make sure you take it all the way to here, otherwise it will just look very disconnected. If that's the right word to use, I don't know, but I hope you get it what I'm saying. So just two thin lines, alright, and now we'll cut the nose here. And just blend it downwards. Again, cream product or powder product, that's totally up to you. That's your personal choice. I told you guys I prefer a powder contour, and if you're a beginner, I would suggest just start working with a powder product, and once you're comfortable, then you can use a cream product. Any cream product that you apply should be followed with a powder product. That should be the rule, so that your makeup just stays in place. For highlighting, I'm taking this highlighter from MAC. It's soft and gentle. I'm applying a little bit on the nose, center of the nose. Now, just above a contour is where your highlighter would go. Let me just finish by applying a little bit of blusher. This is how the face looks after contour and highlighting and applying a little bit of blusher. What do you guys think? You can see it's looking much more thinner, sharper, and my jawline looks much more sharper. My cheekbone looks much more uplifted. So it really enhances your features. I hope this real short video on contouring has helped you guys. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. You can drop a comment below, or you can come on my Insta and DM me there, and I'll be happy to help. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and take care of yourself and take care of your skin. Bye guys. Stay safe, stay healthy.